Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this episode of Special Topics in Astronomy, we will explore differentiation and discover why planets develop layered interiors. So let's get started. Why do planets have layers? If you could slice through Earth, you would find a metallic core surrounded by a rocky mantle and a thin outer crust. But planets did not necessarily form that way. Early in their history, many small rocky worlds were hot enough for their interiors to partially melt. Once that happened, gravity began sorting their material by density. Astronomers call this process differentiation. The early interior of a young planet was a mixture of many different materials. Some, like iron and nickel, were very dense. Others, like silicate rocks, were much less dense. As the interiors became molten, those materials were free to move. The denser materials gradually sank toward the center, while the lighter rocky materials rose toward the surface. Over time, gravity transformed a mixed interior into a layered world. Let's take a closer look at how that happens. Dense droplets of molten iron and nickel sink deeper into the planet, where they gradually become part of a growing metallic core. At the same time, lighter silicate materials rise upward to form the mantle and eventually the crust. The process continues until the planet develops a stable internal structure with the densest materials concentrated at its center and the lightest materials near its surface. Differentiation is not unique to Earth. It has shaped many rocky bodies throughout the solar system. Mercury has an unusually large metallic core. Earth developed a layered interior that continues to influence its geology today. Even the Moon and the asteroid Vesta experienced differentiation early in their histories. Although these worlds differ greatly in size and composition, they all reveal the same underlying principle. Gravity organizes matter into layers whenever the interior becomes hot enough for materials to flow. Differentiation influences nearly every aspect of a planet's evolution. It determines where metals, rocks, and other materials are located. It helps shape volcanic activity, magnetic fields, and the long-term cooling of planetary interiors. Without differentiation, rocky planets would be far less complex than the worlds we observe today. Differentiation reminds us that gravity does more than hold planets together. It organizes them from the inside out. By understanding how materials separate according to density, astronomers can explain why planets, moons, and even some asteroids developed the layered interiors that we observe throughout the solar system. So that concludes our discussion on differentiation. We'll be back again next time for another episode of Special Topics in Astronomy. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.